Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making tostadas de tinga. Begin with adding water to your pot to let simmer to add our rest of our ingredients. Go ahead and add in your garlic, your onion, and your choice of seasoning. In this case, I will be adding chicken bouillon. And just, of course, add in your chicken breast. Go ahead and let it cook until it is cooked through about 20 minutes. Now go ahead and shred it to your liking. I won't be doing a finely shred. I kind of like it more chunky, but whatever your preference is, go ahead and make it good for your family. Go ahead and add your tomatoes inside your broth. Let them simmer away until soft. It's now time to blend our sauce. Go ahead and add in what we reserved from the boiled tomatoes inside our broth. Add in 1 fresh garlic, 1 small can of tomato sauce, and I did go ahead and add 2 smoked chipotle peppers inside the adobo sauce. I added 2 of those. I didn't want it to be that spicy, but again, go ahead and make it to your family liking. I did forget to mention to you guys that the broth that was left over, I definitely saved it because whether I make a rice or a soup, I have some in the freezer. So we're going to go ahead and continue. I did add a bit of oil to the same pot where I took off the broth. And we're going to go ahead and add in some onions so they can saute with 2 bay leaves. Go ahead and let those onions sweat along with the aromatic of the bay leaf before I like to, at this step, add in my chicken bouillon. I feel like when it hits the oil along with the spices or whatever else I have in the pan, it just accelerates its taste. So I'll be adding some chicken bouillon and a little bit of cracked pepper. I can only begin to express by words, and simply it still does not justify how wonderful and delicious the onion mixed with the bay leaf and the chicken bouillon inside that sizzling chicken fat smell. It smells so good. I did add a bit of the chicken broth just to make it a little bit more smoother and runnier for all that shredded chicken. So at this point in process, I did taste it, and for me, it did need a little bit more chicken bouillon. Go ahead and taste it and adjust it to your liking. So after a few minutes of simmering with all those flavors of chipotle and garlic, onion, and tomato, go ahead and add your shredded chicken, combine it all together, and let it just simmer for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so all those delicious juices go inside your chicken. So it won't be anything close to a tostada de tinga if we didn't make some homemade tostadas. Tinga is a very simple and not a complex dish at all to make. It can be put inside a virote, like 2 pieces of bread. It could be inside a burrito. You can make tacos dorados, fried hard shell tacos of tinga. You can literally put it on anything, a quesadilla, anything that you would like. It would taste so delicious in. We'll start our most waited process, our topping our tostadas with our delicious and flavorful, a tiny bit spicy tinga. Top it off with your lettuce. You could use sour cream. You could use queso fresco, whatever type of topping you want to put on this. You know, play around with it. You will definitely 100% enjoy this. I hadn't had these in a while, and oh my god, they were so good.